Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off make public favorite sounds on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now here click privacy. Now here you will find favorite sounds, just click on it and click like this, and here it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off make public favorite sounds, easy and quick. And that's it for today, today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.